Let me try. Whoa, I missed.
Can I click that?
Yama Toys and Daddy!
Hi friends! Yama and Toys here. Today we are opening this cool
Nerf
gun. Yeah. So we played with this, open this.
I want to
so
my
excited.
daddy. I want to my daddy.
Yama is so excited. It's a big gun for kids to play with. So it's gonna be exciting one. Let's go ahead and open. Whoa!
This
I
is the
like
camera.
it. I like it. This is so nice.
Very nice, kids.
Yama's so excited.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. A magic
Whoa,
trick.
yeah.
Look at this, guys. This is a magic
Look
trick.
at this.
Guys, look at this. This is
so
a magic
nice.
trick, guys.
Oh, yeah? Ooh, yeah. Let's take this.
Bullseye.
Ooh, Yama is so excited. Let me take this scope. Open.
Daddy, can I have that, please?
Yeah. Yama is putting all these things together for you. And
This goes over here, guys.
this Yama is putting all those things together.
This goes over here.
Whoa, so many parts.
How do I put this one, Daddy?
What is this thing?
Guys, how do you put this one? Daddy,
We're gonna figure out all those things.
and right here.
Whoa, so many parts.
Ah,
This is
this
a
one over
tripod.
here, guys.
Nice.
This goes over here. Hey, here's this. Dad, can you help me with this one?
Yeah.
Oh, let me just
I
do these.
want to help you, to help you, to help you. So we can look at the picture and find out which part goes where. So this is very helpful. You look at these. This is a beautiful one for kids to play with.
Yes, you know that.
Yama knows that, Yama knows that.
This
Yes.
goes over here.
Let me find
I think it's where this
this thing goes.
This goes right over here. This goes like that, or this side.
Ooh la la! A lot of bullets.
There.
Look at these bullets.
I don't know which one this goes.
That goes on the.
Oh, Daddy,
over
look
here.
at this. This can go like this too.
Yeah. Whoa! A bolt.
This goes right over there.
Wonder how this thing comes out. Nice.
This one goes here. This one goes right over here inside it.
Whoa, that's scary, man.
Oh, I did it.
That's so scary, scary, scary.
How do we do this?
Okay, put this down here and look at the picture. Find out more about this. Oh,
This
look
one.
at this thing.
The same thing. The same thing.
Ooh la la! Nice.
Now can I have it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
This works like this.
Yeah, I think this goes right here. Yeah.
It goes over there.
Whoa! We have to put all the bullets here. Yama.
Yep.
Yeah, let's open this. These
I
bullets.
win.
Oh, so many bullets.
These are like the same bullets that I have. Right?
Yeah.
Shoot!
Yeah. So many of them, man.
Buy one. Buy one.
Yeah. All this right here.
Yep.
Whoa, man. I like this thing. It's so cool. This is definitely cool.
Did you
let's
put
find
another
out.
bullets?
Where that one goes. Okay, this one goes right here, right?
Yep. Yuppie. Go over here, guys.
Yeah. So many bullets, man. You see? This. Whoa, man. So
Don't do it, Daddy, yet.
I like it. You can fold it like this. Back. Yeah. Okay.
First we have to put these bullets.
You sure? No, we cannot put that in there.
Yeah?
No.
Yes, we can.
No, we cannot.
Yes, we can. We want to.
Yeah, if you want to, you can put. Nice. Wow. I like it, man. This is cool. This is so cool.
Very cool. Oh, there's one more.
You can put some here.
Here. We can put one over here, guys. Put
Nice.
one there, and put one there, and put one back. Mouse goes.
Yama's so excited. Oh my god.
Yes,
Yes.
I am so excited.
Yama is so excited. Yama is so
Excited.
excited.
Don't do it yet.
Whoa! Nice. Yes. One by one.
Oh,
Okay, let's.
we have to do this, Dad.
No,
Look, put that right here.
Whoa, man, this is nice. Over it. Let's go ahead and test it. I put this box here. Whoa, yeah. I like it.
Yeah, it's
Yo, you come here.
Not over there. Not over there.
Okay, you have to. Yama, you come here. Whoa, man.
Oh,
I
the
like
box
this.
is come right next to back.
Yeah,
That's so cool, guys.
this is so nice. Okay, all the way. Whoa, so nice, man. I like it. Yama, you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Whoa, my goodness.
Can I have a try, Daddy?
Yeah. Okay,
Take this, though. This.
you can put that down. All those.
Hey, guys, this is my turn.
Yama's turn. Yeah. Yama's so excited.
Mine just hit the Nerf gun.
Whoa, yeah. Nice. No. You have to do this. Okay, go ahead now. Yama. Yeah. No. Okay, now. Yes. Whoa! Nice, man.
Yeah.
So nice. It's okay. Whoa, that should be good for now, Yama.
Huh?
It's okay now. Alright, let me try. Whoa, I missed.
Can I click that? No, Daddy! No, Daddy! No, Daddy! No, Daddy!
Okay, finished. Let me put this one. Take this one out. Yama, come here. I put this.
Where did you put the ball?
Sorry again. No, Yama, come here. Okay, I missed again. Yama, come here.
Okay.
Okay. Yama, please.
Okay.
That's finished. Whoa, it's nice. It's a nice Nerf gun. So try when you're playing. Don't try to aim at each other. Just the way we did. Put a target, then shoot the target. Don't point at each other. That's not safe. Okay. Have a good day and enjoy yourself. See you next time. Bye.
Yama, toys, and daddy.